Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you steps on how you can edit Instagram photos or video after posting. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So in order to edit your Instagram photos or video after posting, first thing, make sure that you've already updated your Instagram application to the latest version, and if not, all you need to do is open up your Google Play Store, and then on the search box you need to type in Instagram, and if you have update instead of open, which means that the update is available and you need to update the application. Once you've updated the application, now you need to log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. You're going to be taken to the profile page. In order to edit the photos or videos, you need to click on the photo or the video that you want to edit. After you tap on it, you'll be able to see your photo or the video in a full screen, and then in the top right corner, click on the three dot icon. As you click on the three dot icon, a drop down menu appears, and from the list you need to click on edit. And as you click on edit, you'll be able to make some changes with this particular photo. So for that, what you can edit is, you can edit your caption, you can add a location, or you can change your location. You can also tag people, or you can also remove people that were tagged on this post. And after that, you can also edit the font size. And once you're done making changes, do the same procedure. Click on the tick icon in the top right corner, and after that your changes has been saved. So in this way you can edit Instagram photos or videos after posting. And I also forgot to mention that you can also delete the photo if you want to remove from a multiple photo. All you need to do is just click on this bin icon in the top right, and after that the photo will be removed. In this way you can edit Instagram photos and videos after posting. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.